Hey guys, this is Venkatesh. This is unboxing and quick overview of Google Mini speaker. So I just bought it in Flipkart sale, and I just bought with Syska LED Wi-Fi light. So this is the box which I have received. So I'm going to unbox this one. So this contains this Syska LED will support Google Home Mini. So this is first we'll open the LED bulb. This is the LED bulb which comes with the holder. This is RGB Wi-Fi enabled device, that's what they have mentioned in the box, and it has app control, 3 million shades, 560 luminous, B22 holder, that's what they have mentioned. It supports with iOS and Android devices. This is the bulb. Okay, I'll keep this aside. Now we can open Google Home Mini speaker. The box looks good. Here they have mentioned it will support all this, and small and mighty Google. I am super excited to open this. Where I need to open? Okay, I just open it from here. Wow, here is the speaker. This is looking good. This I ordered this black variant. I have to connect it to power supply. This is mic on off. This looks very soft rubberized finish. I don't know what is this. There is a switch, something like this here, and I heard that this has touch control. So let's check what are all inside the box. This is some get started manual. Here is a very nice adapter which looks very cute, and this is the cable. This is a micro USB cable. I thought I will get USB-C, but this is micro USB cable. That's it inside the box.